What's going on everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a tail light bulb on your car. It's a quick and easy DIY and I hope this helps you save a few pennies. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you've got the correct bulb for your car. This particular car takes a P21 and it's the double filament bulb, which is that one just there. And it tells you what bulbs the particular pack comes with on the back just there, but this is ideal. You can get this from places like Asda, Halfords, your local petrol station will even have sort of a selection of bulbs like this in one little pack. This costs £7 and it's ideal to keep in the glove box should you need to replace any more bulbs later down the line. But yeah, check what bulb your car requires. This particular one is a double filament P21 bulb and that's what we're going to be changing in this. So once you've got the correct bulb for your vehicle, you can then look at how you can access this particular tail light on your car. Now it will either be one of two options, either through the boot, through a panel by removing the carpet, or perhaps some plastic trim on the interior of the vehicle to access the back of the tail light. Or if it's closed off, it may be that you have to access the tail light by removing the light itself, and then it'll give you access to the bulbs or the back of the tail light where the bulbs sit. And so on this one, it's two 10mm bolts just there, and the light will pull out rearward to the vehicle. And then once that's out, we should see the wires and the plugs that turn anti-clockwise to relieve those particular bulbs from their position. So we'll do that now. So here we are, we have the tail light removed and we can access now all the bulbs, and it's this top one that relates to the tail light just there. So that's nice and easy for us, and we can twist that anti-clockwise to get access to the bulb and replace it nice and easy. So I'm going to do that now. So this one just here, I'm going to turn anti-clockwise, twist that bulb out. You can see it's got little prongs on the bulb itself. So it's those prongs, just like a normal light bulb, that you're twisting out to remove it. Then we can put the new one in, twisting it the opposite direction. Put it back in, rotate it clockwise to seat it correctly. There we go. And then we can just push it back into these little white tabs here. Onto the tail light. So it's those little tabs that sort of notch into place as you're putting it back on the car, like that. And that's it. Tail light removed, bulb replaced, and refitted once we've refit these two 10mm and tighten them in. And here you can see the blown bulb. You can see it's popped there, it's a bit dark in colour, and one of the filaments is rattling around. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but yeah, that filament there is broken, snapped in the middle. So that's why it won't work. So that's it, really easy, really simple. Hopefully this saves you a few pounds not having to go to your local garage or something like that. This is literally something you can do in your drive in 5 minutes. Really simple. So yeah, I hope this saved you a few pounds. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.